Hey, thanks for checking out today's video. We're starting with a look inside the Barbara Jordan Career Center, where middle school students are getting a first-hand look at career pathways and how your student can sign up for a tour. We'll also hear from district leaders on the why behind the work happening at the center. Plus, campus close-up at Westside High School, from welcoming international exchange students to spotlighting a standout teacher and dance team. It is Friday, January 30th. Well, this week at the Barbara Jordan Career Center, middle school students from all 10 feeder campuses stopped by to explore the career and technical education programs offered at the district's first centralized hub for industry-aligned training. These career fairs are a series of half-days, hands-on experiences for 8th graders to explore interactive activities across 7 CTE pathways. Next school year, incoming 9th graders will be able to choose from 16 different programs of study, opening the door to even more options. And this expansion will help reduce wait lists for high-demand programs and give students access, that is, to modern facilities that prepare them for college or the workforce. Now, tours will continue through March. For any students interested in joining one, check with your home campus. What opportunities are these facilities going to give our students that they weren't able to get before?
Yeah, so one of the things, if you think about a traditional high school, no matter how large a school may be, no matter how many students a school may have, there's a limit to how many programs, a CTE programs a program can have, a school can have. Really what we're trying to do at Barbara Jordan, same thing with our new Southside Career Center that we're in the process of building, is really create a place where students have far more options with what they're trying to do than what they may have right now. You know, a traditional school may have 5, maybe 6 different programs, and even then you're sort of thinning out the quality of those programs by doing that. If we do something at Barbara Jordan will have 16 different high-wage, high-skill, high-demand programs.
And that's just part of a larger conversation I had with our Deputy Chief for College Career and Military Readiness, Daniel Gray, about the expansion at the Barbara Jordan Career Center. This conversation is part of our series HISD 2026, The Future is Now, where I talk with district leaders about HISD's historic academic gains and the priorities guiding the work ahead, including our goal of getting every HISD school to an A or B rating by August 2027. Now, to see the conversations I've already had, check out the Future is Now playlist. I'm linking you to it right below in the video description. Now, it's time for Campus Close-Up. Westside High School is a campus that prides itself on diversity, not just in its student population, but in the opportunities that it offers. Now, from dual credit and magnet programs to GT courses, students are encouraged to explore their interests and find where they belong. And that sense of inclusion goes beyond the classroom. Westside welcomes students from around the world, creating a campus shaped by different cultures and perspectives.
Where are each of you from?
I'm from Switzerland.
And where are you from?
I'm from France.
I spoke with 2 international exchange students, one from Switzerland and another from France, who say they're enjoying life at Westside.
That's a nice school. Like, the teacher is very fine. They, like, if we need help, they're every time here. So that's very good. And my coach because I'm on the varsity team for the soccer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and that's very, very good. The coach is so fine. He helped us a lot. He passed a long time with us. So yeah, that's very good. I really like here.
Very nice. How about you?
I really like the classes that they offer here, and I like the sports team. I'm in orchestra and track.
Okay, very nice.
And it's been nice.
What are the benefits of coming to school here?
Learning English.
Learning English, very nice. Okay,
so different culture, like so different culture, like meet new people, have a good experience. Yeah.
Westside High School is led by teachers making a real impact. And that's not all I got from Westside. Another story that we just uploaded today is taking us inside a life skills class. I talked to the life skills teacher who shared how she's preparing her students for their futures. We also saw Westside's school spirit loud and center as the Pride dance team put on a special performance just for us. That story is up on the channel right now. Before we go, a few quick important reminders. HISD's Nutrition Services is kicking off the February Lunch Challenge for middle and high school students. The more lunches students eat, the more chances they have to win an iPad. Students who eat at least 15 times or more will be entered into the drawing. Parents and families, time is running out to submit your school choice application. You have until February 27th for Phase 1. The other dates that you need to know about are on your screen right now. And the pre-K application window is also open. It closes on Friday, April 17th. Go to our school choice website to learn more about our schools, programs, and the school choice process. You can also find the applications on there as well. We also have a school choice fair coming up on Saturday, February 7th, where you can get help in person and learn more about HISD and the school choice process. And last, next week we're having a teacher job fair at the Sam Houston MSTC from 5 to 7 p.m. Scan that QR code right there to register. And I'm dropping all the links for you about all these reminders right below in the video description. Well, that's it for us this week on HISD Now. Thank you so much for connecting with us. Hope you have a great weekend, and we'll see you right here next week. Take care.